Oh, oh, na, no, na, no, na, no, na, no. Yeah. Oh. Da 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 da. Oh. Soft melodica drifts across the horizon. In the silence of the morning light, I hear the earth breathing slow tonight. Every heartbeat riding on the wind, calling my spirit home again. Steady roots guitar enters, footprints fading in the dust of time. Ancient voices speaking through my mind. The rivers carry stories to the sea. Every drop reminds me who to be. The mountains stand where they belong, holding echoes of a forgotten song. And I can feel the wisdom in the air, moving through the world everywhere. Slow down, hear the sound of the truth beneath the ground. Close your eyes and let it flow to the place your soul already knows. the noise and fear, there's a river running clear, flowing through the heart and mind, leaving heavy chains behind. Skank joins the rhythm. Morning sun across the hills, moving gently, standing still. Every shadow starts to fade when the inner light is raised. I have walked through storms before, searching for a distant shore. Now the answer feels so near, carried by the rhythm here. Let it rise, let it shine. Every heartbeat falls in line, like a river running free, flowing through eternity. River of inner light, guide me through the darkest night. Heavy bass beneath the sky, lift my spirit higher, higher. River of inner light, keep my vision burning bright. Mystic vibrations in the air, sending peace everywhere. Clouds may gather overhead, but the path is never dead. Every challenge that appears melts away beyond the fears. In the silence I can see what this life is meant to be. Not a race and not a fight, just a journey toward the light. Let it rise, let it shine. Every heartbeat falls in line, like a river running free, flowing through eternity. River of inner light, guide me through the darkest night. Heavy bass beneath the sky, lift my spirit higher, higher. River of inner light, keep my vision burning bright. Mystic vibrations in the air, sending peace everywhere. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Beyond the noise, beyond the race, there's a quiet, sacred place. Every note becomes a key, opening serenity, and the river keeps its flow, teaching everything to grow. In the stillness we discover, every soul connects another. River of inner light, guide me through the darkest night. Heavy roots and conscious sound, keeping every spirit grounded. River of inner light, keep my vision burning bright. Mystic bassline, endless flow to the place we're meant to go.